Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rotate your screen on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you want to do is just go ahead and right-click on your desktop. Then just go to Display Settings. Then from Display Settings, under Scale and Layout, you'll find Display Resolution, Display Orientation. Display Orientation is the thing that we need. Currently, it's set to Landscape. You can change it to Portrait. You can change it to Landscape Flip. You can change it to Portrait Flip. Now, I'll show you what will happen if you change it to Portrait. If you change it to Portrait, it will be like a long screen. And if you change it to Landscape Flipped, it will be Landscape but flipped in the opposite direction, basically upside down. And if you select Portrait Flipped, it will go back to the Portrait mode but flipped. And basically that is how to change all the display orientation. And basically that is how to rotate your screen on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.